Hello everyone. We are from Group Alpha 67. So today we are going to present for our website demo and the problem statement. So actually we are choosing for the TradFi Secure Digital. It's more focused on the fintech and the technology. So basically the problem covering, the first one is the phishing and the social engineering, and the second one is the digital identity risk and the complex file network and the information silos. So actually nowadays we are facing more of the high volumes of loss due to the user inability to detect the scam. This is more common in Malaysia. So actually we are developed some of the solution to cover the problem. So the first one is a centralized security ecosystem. And this security system is a unified platform that providing a multiple AI power protection service. So the next one solution is a FinTrust AI. By using the Gemini reasoning to detect the scam in pattern of the text, either in text or URL. So the next one is the identity guard AI. So basically this one is the digital risk analyzer using the Gemini vision for face verification. And one of the features is a document identity. So the last one is a fraud transaction, a digital risk analyzer, also using the Gemini to detect the fraud transaction pattern and flag as suspicious. So we also come out our unified insight dashboard. So basically our tech stack for the front end is the Net.js and the TypeScript and Turing CSS. The back end we are using the Firebase and the Nest.js API route, and the AI layer we are using for the NLP reasoning, Google Gemini vision model, and AI summarization. So actually our group already deployed on the Google Cloud, right? So the impact, the national strategy alignment, we are directly addressed for the Malaysia secure digital grand challenging by protecting the citizen. So another one is a technological sovereignty, move the Malaysia from a technology consumer to a creator of individual fintech security infrastructure. And another one is a real world protection. And the last one is actionable intelligence, because our website already transformed from a simple threat to a actionable insight that by covering for the risk scoring and the fraud transaction pattern detection. Right. So our target user basically is the e-wallet provider and digital government. And we also provide for the business-to-business security integration, Thai intelligence, and some of the subscription potential. So now we are going for our website demo.
Now let's proceed to the presentation for our first module, which is FinTrust AI. So FinTrust AI is the extension that we develop that can use on browser. So here, before they use, user need to sign into the FinTrust AI. Then here is the FinTrust AI showing the history message I asked Gemini to analyze. So after user sign in, they can choose any message and right click and click analysis with FinTrust AI. So here there's a message pop-up showing this message is safe and showing the analysis message here. Besides that, user can just copy any message and go to the website and right here analyze tweets. So here showing the result of the message risk, and the history will be stored here. So that's all for module 1, FinTrust AI.
All right. So for now, we are going to next features, which is the face identity guard. Now we are going to sign in first. All right, so now this one is for the identity guard page. As you can see here, our page is mainly focused on two features. One is document and selfie verified, and another one is the real-time defect detect. So now we are going to show the biometric selfie. Right, I think I'm going to upload for the fake one first. So as you can see here, our AI is going to analyze the picture, and this is the audit registry, which is will showing the historical result. All right, so now just now I upload the image is this one. So as you can see, it's an AI person. So our AI can identify it's a defect detector. So it's proof our work is work. So now I'm going to upload another one. It's the real person. So just now that one is my photo. So it's showing that it's authentic. So the AI can analyze the real woman in the defect. So actually this function is quite good. So another one is a real-time defect detector. Actually this we're going to using our camera. So while we are using our camera, we are going to capture frame for the AI scan. All right. So actually, the AI we're going to take this one frame and going to analysis. So this some of the statistics we are going to show the AI how to think this face recognition, and actually we're going to have some signal about it, like two static of nature. So overall our score is around the 80%. So actually, so this some of the statistics. So actually that's all for this feature only. So thank you.
Now we come to the fraud transaction page. In this page, we include the simulation feature. The user can click the simulate fraud or generate transaction to generate a real transaction or fraud transaction to help the user improve their sense to identify the transaction. So we click the simulate fraud. We can see it carries come out the wire transfer, and the amount is achieved higher than 6,103. So it's carry give us the trust score lowest, and we come to the generate transaction, real generate transaction, we go out the Spotify premium and the amount $22. So it is the real transaction. So in this page, user can use this function to improve their sense and reduce the spam risk.
Okay, so as you can see, we have used the anti-gravity to create our app to make the initial design and then carry out the flow on execution of our ideas. So we have used the agent to properly plan and then execute through the anti-gravity agent. And then we also use Google Cloud platforms to deploy our solution. So we use Firebase and we use the Google Cloud Run to build our app and then deploy it onto the Google Cloud platform. So as you can see, we have many revisions through our multiple deployment, and lastly we then get the link here with user central.com.